Chords. Okay, who first?
This one.
You first, bro. Okay, I feel like this one's obvious, but D16 from Transformers 1. Wait, where should I put him in the back because he's tall?
Yeah,
Specifically him as D16. I don't want him as Megatron. I want him before he became evil.
Specifically. Okay. My first Hear Me Out, I'm starting off easy, is Freddy, specifically from Five Nights at Freddy's 1.
Real Smash. Oh, who said that? Who said that?
Who said it?
Who said Smash?
So my next Hear Me Out.
No,
Cypher
from Gravity Falls.
Why would you put him? He's a crash out character.
Hear me
for
out.
Me. I have Saphira from Aragon, more specifically the movie, because even though the movie was crap, the voice actress for her.
I don't actually know this character. I haven't watched the movie.
You
But
need to.
Smash.
Well, I
Based
think
on the first Smash.
The Mummy, the animated series.
I haven't seen so many of these.
This is a banger. It's
The Star Saver from Transformers Prime. So
okay.
sad.
No, I saw that and I was so scared because I thought it was gonna be an eel and I was like,
No, the Star Saver. It's so like literally this thing can destroy planets. Like that's what it's made for.
But you would hear it.
Hear me out. You know, that's pretty cool.
Okay.
Smash. Next.
Mine's is James Norrington.
Okay, I understand that. I totally get
I
that.
genuinely love it. If Elizabeth Swan would take him, I would. I volunteer, bro. I would, bro.
Okay, we're on to cookies now. But you already knew we were gonna.
Okay,
I was gonna put cookies on.
I saw a glimpse of. I feel like that's Cookie Run. I feel like that's Cookie Run. Taya Dragon Cookie, hear me out, guys. He's hot. I will hear you. That bro looks legendary.
He used to be the meta, but then they came out with new cookies and he's not the meta anymore. But I still don't care. I still like build him up and max him out because he's my favorite.
You should. He's gorgeous, actually.
Mystic flower cookie.
Another cookie. I knew you would put her down.
I was sipping for her all over my story.
Bro.
Same thing happened to her. She was the meta, and then they abandoned her. But I never gave up on her.
Never.
I would never abandon you, Mystic Flower.
I would never. I got the Wildwoods course from Mario Kart 8.
Yeah, Smash.
Yeah. I almost put Dragon Driftball, but like I like Wildwoods more.
Okay, fair. Optimus Prime, but specifically Knight Optimus Prime from the Vapors movies where he has huge chest.
Huge cha-chas, bro. And then no,
It's
okay,
like,
no,
wait.
the worst part is why'd they give him that waist though? Why'd they give him that waist line?
That waist is so grabbable. Like,
Why'd you do that to him? Hera, the goddess.
Smash.
You
know, I don't even blame her for half the stuff she did because Zeus would have gotten my nerves too.
Listen, I wouldn't fix her. I would support her.
Exactly.
I would give her everything. She's my love, my life.
We support women in crime.
We do.
Okay, and then Predaking from Transformers Prime,
That's
specifically
so
in his dragon form.
That is so. I was debating if I should put a dragon. I mean, I put
You did
Sekiro.
put a dragon.
I put a favorite dragon. Side eye. Crash out. I'm gonna crash out. Are you
Okay.
done? Okay. Where was it, man?
There might be a few stickers mixed in here, but
They got this dirty booty today.